Excuse me, sir. Do you have a moment to talk about the meow-saya? Are they seriously having another quinceanera? Trust me, Kenny. You could totally bring back the Bieber swoop. Don't understand how to use this stupid thing! The trick is to hide in plain sight. Watch as this dog thinks I'm a candle. Oh, please, give me a piece of your pizza.
Yeah, I'm a carrier pigeon, but this is as far as I'm delivering this message.
I'll say this, Penelope. Investing in catnip before it was legalized was the wisest decision I've ever made financially. I agree, Meow-ved. I just wish my brother Wayne would have done the same.
All around me a familiar face.
Steve, please cover your poop in the litter box. It's disgusting.
Hello, and welcome to Target.
What's the matter? Cat got your tongue? All right, the humans have left the room, so I'm just gonna squeeze in the bowl here, and when they drop in the new goldfish, old Ginger Snap will be waiting. What if they bring back a snapping turtle? I saw Lace, so that's what I did.
On Donner, on Blitzen!
Santa Claus is black?
Pop quiz, Barbara.
What novel won the Pulitzer Prize in 1960? Cat got your tongue? It's To Kill a Mockingbird, Barbara.
I call shotgun, Kenny.
Jessica, you give a whole new meaning to cat on a hot tin roof. Oh, Jason.
Private Pile. Yes, sir. If you don't stop dropping turds outside of the communal litter box, I will have to neuter you. Who the hell? I'll just put the kitten down.
That feller over there tipping his hat goes by the name Ivan the Terrible. Yeah, him. The one with the crazy eyes.
Don't forget to pay the toll, Jeremy. Excuse me. I need to speak to a manager. Oh, jeez.
I don't work here.
I can't reach the fancy feast on aisle 9.
So are you interested in a meow-nage a trois? Hey, I heard that. You fluffing like that?
Yeah, baby, yeah.
I call this one in heat.
Ooh, work it, baby, yeah.
Be a dear and bring Papa some more powder for his nose.
I think you already used it all up.
The vertigo.
I will find you. And I will vomit behind your bed.
Terry, do you always get naked to use the bathroom?
I ain't no fraidy cat, boys. I'm all in. The catnip heist was me, and I'm turning myself in.
Poor Brenda was in labor for 20 hours.
Well, it's definitely her baby.
Come now, don't be coy.
I'm not coy.
Oh, hot. Who put my cat toy in the meow-crowave? My eyes are down here, Margaret. I always feel like somebody's watching me.
Where's Tommy?
Hey, what the fluff is going on here? Cassandra, I told you I'm with the cougar now.